Okay, this is part 2 of the fasting log tour. So in this video, I'm going to go through the things you do pretty much every day when you're using fasting log. So I'm going to start my home screen. I'm going to launch the fasting log app. And so this is the first time I've logged in during the day today, so I don't have my data in. Now, I broke my fast several hours ago, but I wanted to make this video, so I haven't put any of the data in yet. When I start, up at the green bar across the top, you see that I've currently been fasting for 28.95 hours. I have no time remaining in my fast, and I've been in a fasted state for 16 hours. So that's not correct. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put in the time that I actually broke my fast. So I scroll down here to the green bar. So if I click the green bar, it's going to bring up this clock, and this clock is what we use to record time within fasting log. So I actually broke my fast today at 10 a.m. So the first thing I do is I touch on the 10, then I hit OK, then I touch on the 0. That brings me to 10 a.m. and then I click OK. So that logs my break fast time as 10 a.m. So now if I look at the graph, it shows that I'm currently not fasting. Now, based on the time it is now, it says I've not been fasting now for 9 hours and 42 minutes because that's how long ago I broke my fast. Now I've actually started my new fast a couple hours ago, so I'm going to put that time in next. So now if I scroll down to where it says start fast time, I'll repeat the process, but this time I'm going to put in the time that I started my fast. So today I actually started it at 1:30 p.m. So I go to 13, which is 1, hit OK. Then I hit 30. That puts in 13:30, which is 1:30. I hit OK. And so now it shows that I started my fast, or I broke my fast this morning at 10 a.m. and I started my new fast at 1:30 p.m. So now the graph is right, and the graph is showing what it should be showing. So since I am doing a warrior diet, which is a 20-hour fast with a 4-hour window, I am now 5.92 hours into my new fast, and I have not made it yet into the fasted state. The way this graph works is the green section is the amount of time that I've been fasting, and the red section is the amount of time I have left in my targeted fast. Now, because it's red because I haven't reached a fasted state yet. So when I hit that 12-hour mark, the red is going to turn to yellow to show that I haven't reached my target yet, but at least I've reached a fasted state. So those are the two things I do every day, along with logging my weight. So to log my weight, I hit the menu off to the side, I hit weight, and it's going to bring up a graph of all the weight I've logged since I started using fasting log. And then I hit the plus button. I enter my weight. Now my weight has not changed since I entered it, so I just hit the check mark. Now the weight's been stored. I hit the X to go back. And so now I am back and I have my new weight recorded in fasting log. So then I'll hit the left arrow to go back to the home screen, to the main screen. And now I am back and I'm ready to continue. So other things that I do on a daily basis is I keep notes on my exercise, or if anything went crazy with my progress. So here today I worked out legs this morning. So I'm going to type in legs and hit save change. And so what I'm doing here is I am just putting notes, exercise notes each day so that I can see them when I take a look at my progress. So these are the things I mostly do on a daily basis. Now, so this is just showing you the basic functionality of how to use the app. What you want to do as far as your program and what your goals are, I cover those in other videos. So make sure, if you haven't subscribed yet, that you subscribe to the channel so that you see exactly why you're using different parts of the app, not just how you use the app.